This is Africa. Thank you for coming back here. This is Africa. You are welcome to here, and you come to Africa just to chill here. It is a kind evening. Thank you all and welcome. They're following me. They are used to be knowing me. It seems like they are not satisfied. And our kitten is here, is also coming. It's running away. Our kitten is running away. Yes! Yeah, wow, look at it. It's running away. They're still following me. In fact, they are used to be knowing me. Like when you are with some of these animals, some of the chickens every day, they seem like they know you. That is it. See. If I run, they also run. Boom, 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 boom. So guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Kerry. It is another kind of day here that I placed, going around the field, chilling here and there. Actually, I had gone to the garden to do some of the small jobs here. I had taken some porridge to people who are working at the garden, and now I'm getting back home yet. And it's around 11 now, but the weather is not that good. You can see how it is. Yeah, it has been like that from the morning. The sun is very much down, and it's not that the water is not that good. It's not cold, it's not warm. The mid is here, and here it is a church. All this place here. People usually come here to worship at this place here, as you can see here. But they have not built it. There is some bricks down there, so they are doing like much of the things, and then they are getting prepared to come and build the church here. As you can see, all this place. This from here up to down there where you see the trees. You can see the trees from here up to down there. That's this plot is for the church. Here in the village they build so slowly because of not all people have a lot of money to do this job here, so they have to do like a fundraising so that they can build the church. Here are some gardens here. This is neighbor grass here. These are gardens. People are now preparing for plantation. Others have planted. Others are weeding now. Yes, as you can see here. And here you can see this. There is some maize being planted here. This garden here. It is not ours actually. It's for our neighbor here, as you can see. So this is some maize. Up to that side, those are the maize that have been planted. Actually, we do the planting twice a year. That's in January, February, and then August and September. That's when we do some planting and harvesting at around August and December. That's when we do the harvesting. Oh, thank you so much. That was a few short according to our village life here. You can see this is really the village. Houses are scattered here and there. You can see a house there, another one there. people are scattered. They are not such a congestion like in town here. Now we are almost home. You can see another house there. This is a rock. This is a rock here. Here you can find rocks anywhere. Yes, that is it. Now I'm going down. These are village roads here, as you can see. They are heading down there. Those are village roads. Thank you so much, and thank you for joining here. Thank you for coming back to watch my channel again. Let's meet in another video. That's what actually, this is how we feed the chickens. They had been following me. If I go to the house, they are behind. If I open the door, they are here. So I have seen like I have to feed them so that they leave me alone, so that they go scatter there outside there. Wow! Actually, there are too many. This is it. It's another morning here. Tell me how and leave some comments here. If you usually feed your chickens in the morning or any time that you want to feed them, like these ones here, they wake up very early. They usually follow you here in the house. As you open the door, they are behind. If you walk here, they are behind. So I have come here to feed them so that they can leave me alone and go and scatter there. You know, they are a free range system. That's why we feed them in the morning, and then they go and scatter on their way. So much they are. This one is a cock. We have like three roosters, if not 4, and the other ones are just a chicken. So I'm very much happy. That one here is our dog there, and our Simboka is there. Let me show you. Oh, sorry. And our Simboka is here. And this is our dog here. Say hello. Boom, boom, boom. Bum, bum, bum. So that is it. Wow. See, they are not satisfied. And we have a kitten here. Our kitten is here. Hello, meow. Meow, kitten. Meow. Meow. It's running away. It's running away. Meow. Meow. It's running. What's up, guys? It's another kind of time here. See how the sun is. This the sunset now. You can see the sun. You can see the sun how it is down there. It is going down there. It's like 6:30 now, as you can see here. We are enjoying the village life, nature, as you can see here. We are being blessed. You can see how glittering it is. As you can see here, this is very lovely here at the village, as you can see here. Let me move my cam. Wow! Actually, it has been raining, but now it has stopped, and there you can see the sun. the sunset, as you can see, it is going down there, as you can see. So now we are being blessed here. This is Africa. We are enjoying the nature here. Thank you so much. I was just sending some gratitude to those ones who come back here to watch my channel every day. Those who have come to subscribe to my channel, I thank you so much. All my gratitudes, I say hi, hello, hello outside there. Thank you so much for this day. It's a kind of Thursday here, and we are very much happy that we have finished the day. The day has gone just smoothly, but the weather changed later. It has been raining, and it was later before it was hot, like, and it changed later here. That is it. Thank you so much. Thank you for coming back here to watch my channel. If you are new here, kindly subscribe to my channel and leave some comments down there. Enjoy my videos. More videos going to come soon as we meet together again in another video. Thank you so much. Ciao ciao. Bye bye. Enjoy my video. Thank you so much. Bye. Hello, hello.